Finishing up the wiring on the 71, let's get into it. What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and as you know, we're knee deep into the 71 restoration. I'm not shooting unique videos on all of the wiring because I hired a gentleman to do my wiring for me because he's a master at it, and I wanted it done right. I didn't want to mess it all up. I'm not that great with soldering and crimping and plugging, and we're doing a lot of custom stuff. And yeah, Dean, he's the man. He's the one working on the car. If you want his information, just hit me up in a DM on YouTube or post down below in the comments. He does this kind of stuff. He's in SoCal, California, but let's get into it. This is the car is like, the nervous system is in the car. We have power right now, so it's kind of, we don't have the battery in the trunk right now, but you can see we got lights turned on. But this is the first time seeing all the LEDs hooked up. You can kind of see how the United Pacific lights look. You can see with the blinker on. We got the gauges connected. Everything's set up here. So this is the Dakota Digital. This is the one with all the customization, so I haven't adjusted or changed anything yet. All the information's there. So we do have the push pedal for the high beams and everything. That's all functional. See the hash markers, and I got to install that one. But the headlights, oh, that's bright. These are super bright. So right now it's got the blinker on. That's all working. You can see the running light looks really cool. Let me see here. I think everything's working right now on the actual steering wheel. So like, yeah. I don't know what all the functionalities are yet. I figured that out, but those are working. Now that the blinker's not on, we'll show you. So this is without the high beam. These are bright. They are super bright. Still working on getting everything in the buckets and everything. This is just loosely put in place so we can have it held in place. But wiring, more wirings ran through, buttoned up. Everything's tucked in for the relay. We have the AC stuff all ran up front. Connections and everything through the car. The only thing I'm missing right now is the pigtail to the starter and the pigtail to the speed sensor, and then also all the connections for the coils. So those will be coming shortly. Trying to think of what else there is to show you guys. We have lights. So the battery is actually going to be sitting right back here. So I got the ICT mount for the back, and as I mentioned earlier, running the Optima series battery. So mounting that right here. You can see the mounting brackets just to hold it all in place, so that'll look nice and clean. We still got to run the main wire to the front of the car, so that's not going to be a big deal, but it's an item I need to get taken care of. And then the other side is some of the remaining connections on the inside of the car. So we have the shifter connections and all that stuff. We need to figure out where the shifter is going to mount so it can work with me and my wife and still be in a good position. We got the dome light and stuff to work with, but you can see even the footwell lights and all that stuff are all functional right now. I think that bulb, yeah, I never put the bulb in on that side. She's got a nervous system, guys. This is this is huge. I never thought we would see this day. I mean, I knew we'd see this day, but I didn't know when it would be, and it's exciting. It's exciting to finally be here. And it's a huge thanks to Dean and all of his hard work. I finally got the connection, the 90-degree elbow for the fuel system as well, with the sensor or the pressure gauge. So the fuel system is done. It's basically just those few last things with the power connectors, mainly me being negligent on the pigtails. I got the belt. So we measured for the belt and got this. So this should be the right belt. If for some reason it's too small or too long, there's another one I can get, but everyone's sold out of it currently. So we're gonna get this on the car. Hopefully in a week or two, we'll be able to hear this bad boy rumble up. Maybe, just maybe. It's getting there. So that's it. This is a short video, but just wanted to show you the car coming to life. It's been a long time coming, but thanks to Dean and his ability to come help out, basically get all of the wiring done. I think the only thing I did was kind of tape up some wires that he ended up untaping anyways and ran them to the trunk of the car. Huge shout out to Dean. Till next time, guys. See you on the road.